The Nest Protect is more than just a smoke and carbon monoxide detector. It's a sophisticated piece of technology designed to keep homes safe, while also integrating seamlessly into modern smart homes. Developed by Nest Labs, a subsidiary of Google, the Protect represents a significant advancement in home safety systems. At its core, the Nest Protect functions as a traditional smoke and carbon monoxide detector, alerting occupants to the presence of these potentially deadly hazards through loud alarms and voice alerts. However, what sets the Nest Protect apart is its array of advanced features and connectivity options. One of the standout features of the Nest Protect is its ability to differentiate between different types of smoke and to provide early warnings for slow-burning fires. This is achieved through a combination of advanced sensors, including a split-spectrum smoke sensor, which can detect both fast and slow-burning fires with greater accuracy than traditional detectors. Another key feature of the Nest Protect is its integration with the wider Nest ecosystem and other smart home platforms. Through the Nest app, users can receive alerts and monitor the status of their Protect devices remotely, giving them peace of mind even when they're away from home. Additionally, the Nest Protect can communicate with other Nest products, such as the Nest thermostat, to enhance overall home safety and efficiency. In addition to its advanced functionality, the Nest Protect is designed with user convenience in mind. Its sleek, minimalist design allows it to blend seamlessly into any home decor, while its simple installation process means that homeowners can easily replace existing detectors with Nest Protect units without the need for professional assistance. Furthermore, the Nest Protect features a built-in battery backup, ensuring that it remains operational even in the event of a power outage. This added reliability is crucial for ensuring continuous protection in emergency situations. Overall, the Nest Protect represents the next generation of home safety technology, combining advanced sensors, smart connectivity, and user-friendly design to provide unparalleled protection and peace of mind for homeowners. Whether it's alerting occupants to the presence of smoke or carbon monoxide or providing early warnings for slow-burning fires, the Nest Protect is a vital addition to any modern home.